This content is made for adult collectors. It's adult collectibles. It's not made for kids. สวัสดีครับ What's up guys? This channel we are going to review movie comic collection. Make sure you subscribe and put notification bell so you will not miss the new episode that will pop up on your feed. If you want to buy some figure, you can check that out in the link below. Alright guys, 360 rotation for you guys to overview this Emma Frost HellFire Club Marvel Legend Custom modified by HereHem. So I custom myself this Emma Frost. So let's go to the art story for a little bit. Alright guys. So here I'm gonna put this Emma Frost based on the Marvel Legend Emma Frost HellFire Club that coming up really soon, I think really soon. But the right one that we are looking at is my completely custom made. So but this Emma Frost will coming up very soon. And so for the bio, so this Emma Frost based on the artwork that we are seeing here. So HellFire Club in the comic book. And actually I like the design for the movie more because I don't really know the comic much. The thing that I watch is movie, and she looks so badass, and here her power so badass. That's why I really like the Emma Frost character. So, and here I'm gonna go into the art story about her that I custom mod. So I took the head from this Emma Frost Walgreens exclusive 2019. So I got the head from this one, this package, and I got the body from this white rabbit over here. So the torso, upper torso and lower torso I got from her, and also upper leg. So about upper thigh cut like here. So over here, here and here. So we got from the white rabbit body. And here I got the lower arm from the dagger figure Marvel Legend over here. And next one I got the hands, both hands from the Spider-Woman 2019, like that. And the next one I got the legs, both legs from Sharon Carter action figure Marvel Legend. So lower legs over here. So as you can see here and here came from Sharon Carter Marvel Legend figure. And lastly, the last piece that I just got from the Marvel Legend again. So here is the cape that you are looking at, like here, the cape from Marvel Legend Moon Knight 2020 figure over here, right guys? That's pretty much her art story, the modification that I made right here. And let's see the cool gimmick that we have on Emma Frost. So she is typical Marvel Legend female figure actually, but I want to point it out that she looks so badass. Actually, she doesn't really have the top gimmick that I think on my mind. I think she has a typical Marvel Legend gimmick. All right. So I'm not really going to the fully articulation, right? Because we feel familiar with Marvel Legend already. Ankle pivot, one of the cool gimmick that Marvel Legend give us, ankle pivot. And here she has a pretty nice texture over her leg, and actually single joint elbow and rotation. Yeah. So she has a pretty proportion. That's a pretty cool gimmick on her, right? So actually, I think one of the cool gimmick is that she has a pretty good clock, classic looking clock on her ab crunch over here. That's a pretty cool gimmick that came from the White Rabbit body. So that's my compliment and my custom. So let's go to the next topic that we cover. So art of compare. So I'm gonna compare her to next. Here is the Marvel Legend. Oh, sorry about that. She wanna sleep or something. Here, Marvel Legend Moon Knight 2020 figure. Here, the one that we got the cape from Moon Knight, like so. And the other one that I want to compare is my all-time favorite, one of my all-time favorite figure, McFarlane Toys, Batman Who Laughed, DC Multiverse figures. Over here, so, and actually he doesn't really stand properly, I think. And all right, the next one I want to compare is Spidey. Yeah, Spider-Man classic retro Marvel Legend. Yeah, Spider-Man retro wave 2020 also. That's pretty much of compare. Actually, I want to go back to the cool gimmick for a little bit. Here, I think this head sculpt is okay, it's nice, but I prefer more the other head sculpt. So I'm gonna take her head off. So to show you guys, here is a closer look at Emma Frost, HellFire Club custom made, and take her head off and put the other head that came from also Emma Frost black costume figure, and put that in like so. And here we have the more modern and more movie accurate, not really movie accurate. It's more like a movie feeling on on the movie I like, Emma Frost with the long hair, long and blonde, looking awesome like so, right? What do you think? What do you think, guys? Sorry about that. So do you think this hair sculpt is more proportion, it's more good proportion than the other one right here? Which one do you prefer? But for the movie fan like me, I think this hair sculpt is more, it's more movie feeling than the bob hairstyle one. This one is really HellFire Club figure. This one is more like a modification to the movie feeling, right, guys? The rating I'm gonna give her. What do you think, guys? What rating do you think you can give to the Emma Frost, this custom Emma Frost? Please let me know in the comment below. And I'm gonna give her, you know, it's pretty tricky, and you know, I wait for a long time to get the Moon Knight cape to complete, you know, the fully Emma Frost figure. And here I'm gonna give it to 10 out of 10 because I really like that, you know. That's why I custom and modify to this look. Alright guys, hope you enjoyed this review. That's my review, and hopefully we will see each other in real soon for the next episode. Love you guys who came to watch this review, and HereHem signing off. สวัสดีครับ